Hello and welcome to our channel Asphodel Education Point. We have been teaching you only theories, but today this is our first practical session and I am going to show you that how to install C in your computer. So today's agenda is number 1, installing C compiler. Please follow the steps carefully that how I will be installing C in my machine. So the first step is you have to open Google and search for Cygwin. Select Cygwin download, then select Cygwin installation. There you will find run setup x86-64.exe. You have to save that file. After installation, just run the setup. So we are running the Cygwin net release setup program. After clicking on next, select this option, that is install from internet. Select your target folder, as you can select your own folder also by clicking on browse, but I am keeping this as default. Use direct connections, because use system proxy settings and use HTTP FTP proxy, you don't need to worry about this. Just select direct connection, select any of the available mirrors and click on next. So okay, so this mirror is not working, so we will have to select some different mirror maybe, but let's wait. Okay, this mirror, there is some problem, we will select some other mirror. Okay, let's check whether it happens. There are so many mirrors available, so no need to worry about it. One of the mirrors must be successful. So it is working fine. Now see, we are searching for two things, that is, first we will have to select full. Okay, there you can see so many things. You have to select GCC, then select for GCC core. GCC core, or see, I will write it down, don't worry, that what you need to select here. See, this is G++, this will not work. See, here is the option Cygwin 32 GCC core. So select package, just Cygwin 32-GCC-core. Cygwin 32-GCC-core. Okay, this will install the C compiler, and for safety you can also add. So how I will add this? I will just select this value. Okay, I will select this Cygwin 32 GCC core. Now I will, to be on the safe side, we will also install the C++ compiler along with the Cygwin 32 GCC core. C++, Cygwin, you can also go to category and come to development. So GCC code, this we have already selected. Now we'll select the C++. This is GCC C++. Okay. Now from editors we will be selecting Nano. Search for the editors. Here it is. Search for Nano here. So we will keep this. Fine. So after it is done, we have selected all the packages and we have to confirm and click on next. So after this is done, I am not continuing this installation because I have already installed Cygwin 64 terminal in my machine. So for me I am cancelling it, but you just continue with the installation. After the installation is complete, you will get something like Cygwin 64 terminal on your machine. Just double click on it and you are there. See, you will get this kind of an installation terminal. After Cygwin installation is successful, just type ls. Okay, move to directory tutorial, move to directory C. Okay, now let me write one program for you. Nano, okay, check.c. Nano check.c will open the editor, the check.c file. Just to see that whether our program is working fine, I will write a simple piece of code. Studio.h void main. Just put a simple printf statement because we just want to check that whether our installation is successful. So it's done. Press Ctrl+O and enter. Then you type Ctrl+X. For compiling, GCC check.c -o, because you are now creating the object file. Check. Okay, so maybe there are some errors are coming. We will just check it. I think this time yeah. So it is compiled successfully. The error earlier was that I had given the dash just beside C, but you have to put a space. Now just run the program using /check. Okay, so you see that the program is compiled. It is hello. Now to check that whether your file is there, you can see that check.c is there and check. exe, that is the executable file, is also present there. So whatever I have done, I will just put a summary. Okay, also select package Cygwin 32 GCC C++, then select editors from category and select nano. Okay, for 2 and 3 I will mark it in some other color. Just underline. So for 2 and 3, you can use the development modes. Use development category, and this is from the editor category. So you are successful. After installation, open the terminal, create one file using nano check.c within the home directory or any other directory of your choice. Write your code in the editor. Press Ctrl plus O to save and press enter. Press Ctrl plus X to exit the editor. Okay. And after exiting the editor, in the terminal, compile using the command gcc check.c -o check and run using /check to get the so I think these things are clear to you. Just follow the steps as I have written and I have shown you, so this should work fine for you. If not, you can always write your problems in comment section and I will try to solve them. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I think that you will always stay with us and support us in the days to come. Stay tuned for our next practical session. Thank you.